Hey, if your Keurig coffee tastes weak, watery, or just not as strong as it used to be, yeah, that's frustrating. But the good news is, weak coffee is usually an easy fix. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix weak Keurig coffee and get that bold flavor back. First, check your brew size setting. If you're using the largest cup option, the machine is pushing more water through the same amount of coffee, which naturally makes it weaker. Try selecting a smaller brew size, like 6 or 8 ounces instead of the largest option. Less water means stronger coffee. Not all coffee pods are created equal. Some are designed to be lighter or smoother. If your coffee tastes weak, try switching to a dark roast or a pod labeled bold or extra bold. You can also experiment with different brands until you find one with the strength you like. If your coffee suddenly became weak, the needle might be partially clogged. When water can't flow properly, it may not extract the full flavor. Turn off and unplug the machine first. Then use a paperclip to gently clear the needle hole. Just go slow. It's sharp. Mineral buildup inside the machine can also affect brewing pressure and temperature, which impacts strength. Fill the reservoir with a descaling solution or equal parts white vinegar and water. Run brew cycles without a pod until the tank is empty. Then flush with 2 or 3 full tanks of clean water. If you're using a reusable pod, make sure you're adding enough coffee grounds. A loosely filled pod will produce weak coffee. Fill it close to the top, but don't pack it too tightly. A medium fine grind works best for strong flavor. If you really like strong coffee, try brewing a smaller cup size and then running it through again using a fresh pod, or use the strong button if your model has one. So yeah, weak Keurig coffee is usually caused by brew size settings, pod choice, buildup, or grind issues. Try these fixes, and you should notice a big improvement. Hopefully, your next cup tastes rich, bold, and exactly how you like it.